What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So you know that I've been on the search for a crypto gem, one that can turn maybe $1,000 into $100,000, or turn it into more than that for the normal person. Not necessarily for me, but for everyone, right? For a lot of people that are involved in it and have a future associated with it. Not only just have that meme or that name that really gives it the popularity. I'm looking for something that's popular, but also something that's long standing, right? And I put out a feeler yesterday for Vitalik Smart Gas. This was a play that came across my desk. It seemed very, very interesting. The things that they have going for them. I checked out the website, and I'm going to bring that to you guys in this video. I'm also going to go through many other pieces of it while going through the chart as well. So get ready, get strapped in, because this is definitely a project that you don't want to miss out on. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out any of the links for Vitalik Smart Gas, I will put that down in the description. And you guys can research it yourself and see if you guys like it. Because I always like when people come to me and they go, hey, I researched this a while ago, or I researched this just after you said it, and it makes sense, right? Everything you said makes sense. Everything I looked up, makes sense, and also add to what I'm doing and what I'm putting out here in this video. So anyways, let's get into the chart. So currently, let's get into the website. Currently, you see Vitalik Smart Gas. This is their website, VSG, and let's scroll down here and see what they're all about. So Vitalik Smart Gas is hyper deflationary and powers our entire ecosystem. That's something that sold me right from the gate. I love projects that are hyper deflationary. I love projects that have a ability to burn the overall supply that they do have, to decrease that supply to potentially increase the overall price ceiling, as well as increasing strength, not just for the investor side of it, but for the project in general. If they have a use case and they're looking to have a long-standing future, you want to create strength. You look at projects like B&B and how they have their quarterly burn. They understand that being deflationary matters. Being able to see that price increase for the normal investor and seeing that price ceiling increase is a no-brainer to seeing growth. So that's a big deal. And it also creates strength on the LP side as you have LP and that LP is locked. If you're decreasing the supply, that LP now gets stronger because it's a higher percentage, right? Holders of VSG benefit from transactions that take place on our chain, with $1 from every transaction going to buy and burn VSG, which not only supports the chart and LP, but also makes it hyper deflationary. Again, it supports the chart, it supports LP, but it also supports the regular investor, and now seeing a higher price that we can get to. Rather than having a unlimited supply that's out there, and we've seen that, which is never a good situation. The utilization of VSG in our L2 ecosystem ensures that the token is not merely a speculative asset, but a functional tool and a driving force behind Vitalik Smart Chain. So here's some information. They have a 2% to 3% tax, which is the initial tax. It's not something that's long-standing. And then you have 10 billion total supply. And when the L2 launches, you're going to see taxes of 0 and 0. Currently, they have 2,500 community members, and they also have a staking DApp, which we can go into and see what it's all about. Currently, the staking is sitting at about 69.3%. And you guys can visit that and explore that as you do like. I know everybody wants to be able to gain something as they're holding something. Mark Cuban, I don't quote me on it. I don't think this is the exact quote. I'm kind of spitballing here. But the premise is the fact that if you want to own a position, you want to own an investment, you want to make sure that they're paying you something, and seeing some sort of staking benefit is definitely that. You have their partners that are up here, which you have CoinMarketCap, PinkSale, Uniswap, etc. You do have an NFT collection, and with certain NFTs you get a certain amount back. So 66 cents, I believe that is, per 100 transactions with one carbon NFT. Then you have 0.7C, you have 0.1, which is 1 cent, and then per 100 transactions. So you're getting a little bit more with that. And Yeah, I think that's definitely an interesting take on NFTs and being able to get something extra by holding it. I've always said that NFTs that are out there, they've never really offered anything to the people that are really holding it. You always see like, oh, we have these NFTs and it's just to support the chain for the future or whatever. But as you're holding it, do you have some sort of benefits, right? Do you have some sort of reason to for somebody else to want that NFT, right? Because if you're doing it this way, somebody might want it because they're getting something extra with this NFT, right? So anyways, tokenomics for it, you have VSG, it's a Vitalik Smart Gas. You also have VR Soul, which is, you know, the rewards token for Solana. You have VR BSC. You have VR AVAX as well as VR Poly. So this is definitely interesting. Everything that I've seen about it, and again, I just want to go over kind of the basics. We'll probably go over more as time goes on. But let's look at their Twitter account, which their Twitter account does have about 2,700, almost 3,000 followers here. But more importantly, I put out a feeler yesterday. That feeler amassed 7,000 views as well as a decent amount of likes and retweets and comments. And you put those feelers out there to see how people are gauging the overall situation and how much they like it. If they do like it, then you'll see a bunch of comments, you'll see a bunch of engagement, and that's what we did see, which is definitely a good thing. I love popularity. That's what I do with every position. Put out a feeler, and if it comes back well, then we go ahead and make a move into that play. But currently, Vitalik Smart Gas, if we wanted to look at the coin market cap, the chart, and the full breakdown of where it is, we're seeing it at about 4% of a penny, 4.1% of a penny. And we're seeing it at a $4.013 million market cap with 100% of the supply that's out there. The total supply is actually 7.5 right now. The max supply is 10 billion, which I would imagine you see something that is associated there. We'll go into that. We'll go into the actual contract there. We have 9,000, about $10,000 worth of volume. So the thing that this does struggle with right now is the volume, and you want to see a lot more volume. Understand that this volume, what we're seeing now, if we were to see levels of volume like we've seen from other projects that are out there, this would have a massive effect on where Vitalik Smart Gas will be. And that's why I'm excited about it, because really you only have Uniswap that it's available to trade on right now. So if you have different exchanges and different connections and different things that are happening there, which I know that they will have, you're going to start to see that volume level up. And I'm very, very interested to see where this does go and how far it does go. But the staking looks great. The project looks great. Everything that they're putting forward looks great. And I hope they find that even balance to where they can push this thing to the next level and beyond. But again, it caught my interest. I'm very excited about it, but let's go ahead and go into the contract and see how many holders. Currently, they have 398 holders at the moment. And if you see some of those holders, you have the staking pool, you have a dead wallet to where 2.6, that explains it, right? That explains exactly how much is left there. So they say it's 7.5, it should be 7.4. But around that level, once CoinMarketCap gets full update and verified supply there, you would see that this is going to be updated to about 7.4, as well as the self-reported circulating supply or circulating supply at 7.4 as well. So you're seeing a decent amount, 25%, more than 25%, 26% that's burned off, right? So that's great. And to see that continue, you're going to see that price now have an ability to get to a way higher level there. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this play. Let me know what you think about Vitalik Smart Gas. Again, it came across my desk. I put some feelers out there. It seems very interesting. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. We're still on the search. We're on the road. And hopefully this is that, to find this larger gem, right? Something that can give me not only a 100x, right, but see a 1000x, right? Give me, a 100,000% gain in my position. That would be fantastic, which is, something you don't see often. Anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.